Back in August, President Emerson Mnangagwa secured another term, but many observers believe the elections fell short of constitutional and international standards. The Zimbabwe Electoral Commission's impartiality? Now, here's where SADC comes in. This regional body has guidelines meant to ensure democratic elections, but implementation has been inconsistent. The recent elections highlighted a climate riddled with threats, intimidation, and violence against political opponents. It's a grim picture, but it's one that needs to be painted. What's even more alarming is the passing of the Patriotic Bill last July. This law gives the National Prosecuting Authority sweeping powers to prosecute anyone seen as undermining the country or painting it negatively to foreign governments. Critics say this law is vague and ripe for abuse by law enforcement. Imagine being prosecuted just for speaking your mind. Scary, right? In the backdrop of these elections, 2023 saw a pattern of arrests and charges that trampled on freedoms of expression and assembly. For instance, Costa Machangauda, an opposition MP, was beaten and detained simply for hosting a meeting. This isn't just about one country, it's about a pattern of repression across the region. And Zimbabwe isn't alone. Look at the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Their recent elections were chaotic, with electoral malfeasance and incompetence threatening societal cohesion. SADC leaders are being called upon to not just observe, but actively intervene to ensure electoral integrity. The stakes are high, and the people of Zimbabwe and DRC deserve better. So what's the takeaway here? SADC has a vital role to play. They must hold electoral bodies accountable and ensure democratic principles are upheld. It's about more than just elections. It's about the future of the region and the trust of its people. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. Until next time, stay informed.